In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a Box 12 code from your W-2 in your tax return. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and sign into your tax return account. Make sure you're using the return you want to update before making any changes. If you have more than one tax document or multiple returns in progress, it's a good idea to quickly confirm you're in the correct place so the information goes into the right file. Once you're signed in, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the main navigation menu. From there, click on Income and Expenses. This section is where the program stores and organizes the different types of income and tax forms that are part of your return. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until all of your entries appear clearly before moving on. Next, find your W-2 listing and select Edit/Add next to it. This will reopen the W-2 details so you can review or update the information already entered. If you have more than one W-2, be sure to choose the correct one by matching it to the employer information shown on your paper form. Taking a second to verify this can help prevent mistakes later. After that, scroll down on the digital W-2 screen until you reach Box 12. This section is important because Box 12 can include special tax-related codes tied to benefits, retirement contributions, or other payroll items. Since these codes affect how the information is handled in your return, accuracy matters here. When you're in the Box 12 area, open the drop-down menu and select the single letter or double letter code that matches the code printed on your physical W-2. Be sure to choose the exact code shown on your form, since even similar-looking codes can mean very different things for tax purposes. It helps to keep your paper W-2 directly in front of you while you do this so you can compare carefully. Once you've selected the matching code, take a quick moment to review the entry before continuing. Checking your work now can save time and help avoid corrections later. That's all you need to do to update the Box 12 code on your W-2 in your tax return.